So you want to get started with a social media content calendar? Well, you clicked on the right video. With the ever-increasing demand for fresh and engaging content, keeping your social media channels up to date can be a challenge. The question that arises then is, how do you actually fill your social media calendar? Well, chances are that you are either a marketeer, a social media manager, a business owner, or a content creator, and you want to optimize and fill that calendar. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why you need a social media content calendar, how to fill that calendar, and which tools you can use. So why would you actually need one? A social media content calendar is essential for any content creator, marketeer, business owner, or social media manager looking to make the most out of their online presence. It's like a roadmap that guides you through your content journey, ensuring that you have a clear picture of what needs to be done and when it needs to be published. Without a social media calendar in place, you will risk to miss important events or holidays that could enhance your brand's visibility or engagement with your followers. Having a content calendar will help you to keep key dates in mind, such as holidays, seasonal trends, or product launches, for example. This way, you can tailor your content based on these occasions, making sure you are creating compelling content that will resonate with your audience. So in summary, a well-planned content calendar will help you to stay consistent on all different channels, allowing you to be much more creative rather than focusing on deadlines. So now that we've covered why you need a content calendar, let's delve deeper into the subject how you can actually fill that content calendar. And make sure to watch the video till the end, because I will also share 3 key dates that you have to add to your content calendar. Once you understand the importance of having a social media calendar, the next step is to figure out how to fill it with engaging content. The key to filling your social media calendar is to have a clear strategy and plan in place. The first thing that I would highly suggest doing is to kick off with a brainstorming session, either by yourself or with your team. Think about different types of content that will align with your brand's goals and objectives. This might include blog posts, images, videos, or infographics. But keep in mind while you work on those ideas that you want to create content that will eventually resonate with your audience. So make sure that you know your own audience. Next, determine which platforms you want to use. Will you use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, or Snapchat, or multiple platforms? Once you've identified these platforms, think about which day or time will work for each individual platform. It's also important to keep track of seasonal trends and events that might impact your content planning. For example, if you are running an e-commerce business, preparing for Black Friday sales, make sure your social media content is reflecting that leading up to that event. And finally, don't forget to review your analytics, so you can see what works and what doesn't work, so you can change your strategy accordingly. Adding important dates to your content calendar is crucial to stay up to date with trending topics, holidays, and other significant events. By doing so, you can create content that will resonate with your following, and you will also show them that you are in tune with current happenings. It's imperative to do research on upcoming events or occasions relevant to your brand or industry. For example, if you own a bakery business, adding National Pie Day or World Baking Day would be perfect additions to your social media calendar. So what are 3 essential dates that you should definitely add to your own content calendar? Well, we all drink coffee, so adding International Coffee Day on the 1st of October would definitely be something you could do. December 31 is the last day of the year, a date you should 100% add to your calendar. You could do a recap of that specific year, or thank your clients for how much you loved working with them. Another one that could fit to your content calendar is Valentine's Day. There are plenty of business-related subjects that you could combine it with. For example, did you already fall in love with our latest client work? I'm pretty sure that you could come up with a better idea. And don't forget about global holidays, which are celebrated worldwide. You can use this chance to showcase holiday-themed content, while also incorporating personalization unique to your business. Incorporating important dates to your social media calendar not only helps you to increase engagement, but it will also help to add variety to your overall marketing strategy. Remember that being relevant is key when you are creating online content. So keep in mind that every post that you create aligns with both the event itself, but also with your business values. So keep those markers ready and start planning ahead, because building anticipation through strategic planning will help you to grow your audience organically over time. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.